Take a ride on us in the latest Chevrolet Cruze now. We're the Texas Center. We are experts in all new and previously owned Chevrolet cars, trucks and SUVs in the North Texas area. We also serve all the surrounding communities around Dallas such as Highland Park, Cockrell Hill, Duncanville, Grand Prairie, Sunnyvale and Rowlett. We are a Dallas-based Chevrolet supercenter that works hard for our customers with hospitable and unthreatening staff, comfortable convenience, super customer support reputation. Call right away if you are looking for a Chevrolet Cruze, or stop by for a test ride in your very own Cruze today.